Comfort, normal, sport, and individual. Then there's also off-road and snow. Okay, so in snow or mud, then the car starts off in second gear. So what we have, so that you don't wheel spin. So what we have is a V6 turbocharged engine, and it has 340 PS and 450 Newton meters of torque. So there's enough power. Okay, we also have an 8-speed gearbox, and it also has manual shift when you go to plus minus, and also pedal shifters. So this car is a good performance car. We also have auto hold, right? So now we'll move forward. Okay, so this is the power. Okay, but of course we can't go very fast here lah because of the traffic. Yeah.
Traffic and tolls.
So for us, for test drive, is to check out the car. So always do it with safety in mind, you know. So it's not about racing or to show you how well we can drive, but actually to check out the car.
Check out the handling.
Yeah, check out the handling. Okay, so that was on comfort suspension. I'm going to go to go to normal, yeah.
Normal.
Yeah. Okay, here ada peluang nak tekan mengundi sikit, tapi sekejap sajalah. So this is very good power, yeah.
Okay.
So we're going to go by the highway to Putrajaya, Putra Heights. Then after that we'll change driver. Then you drive back, lah. So this is normal mode, and the air suspension still works fine. And the seat adjustments are electrical. So the car is very stable at all speeds, you know.
Stable and firm.
Yeah, very stable and firm and very comfortable. So this is just normal mode.
Belum lagi sport mode. Sport mode lagi.
Sport mode, the steering becomes heavier. Then the gear change extends to a higher RPM, and you get a bit more power lah. Later we'll engage sport mode.
Okay, braking is okay.
Yeah, 6-spot calipers. Yeah, so this because the car is heavy, but having said that, they have a lot of weight reduction, a lot of aluminium parts on the car, and aluminium also mean tak karat lah, so body akan tahan lama.
Tahan sikit lah.
Tak ada karat lah.
Maybe can last for 10 years, maybe.
More than that. So a lot of the body is made of aluminium for lightweight. Even the suspension is aluminium. Okay, so we will go to sport. Yeah. Okay.
Checking the corners. V6 sounds so cool. Okay. Steady. Okay.
Dia normal ke?
Oh, normal lah.
Genting is that?
Genting. Oh, macam gini.
So that is sport. In sport mode, the suspension is a little bit stiffer, less body roll, and of course, pedal shifters are anytime you can use lah. And in this mode, without going to manual, after a while you will go back into D, but you will stay in M for a while. So now it's M4, there are 8 speeds, M5, M6, 7. So even in M you can engage 8 speeds, and you can use a bit of engine braking to help you. But if you and they also automatically will change down.
Yeah. Shift down to get more RPM.
Yeah.
What is the speed? 120 something.
Just now, coming out of the corner, we hit 144.
144.
Yeah.
Ini handles very well. Tapi dia SUV lah.
Yeah. Okay, we are going to go into Puchong Heights.
At 100. Okay.
But it's not recommended that you do it, yeah.
Professional actions only. Do not
Because
try
if you
this.
panic and let go the steering, we will roll. Wait.
Also the
Okay.
throttle control.
Okay, this is sport mode.
Acceleration. Braking down ni. Braking emergency. Okay.
Normal auto, 8 speed. Yeah, torque converter. But nowadays the torque converters are very good.
Tak macam dulu kan.
Dulu punya torque converter banyak slip.
Slow.
Okay, we go to do the driver change. Kita ada satu tempat on my request they made a place for us to change driver.
Sini boleh lawat pergi beli kedai. Pergi Ibrahim. Dia punya display bertukar. Display dia.
Kan.
Can you
On the right.
Oh, this
that
one.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Tu view tu. Kan button view. View dan
Oh, okay.
So can you feel the comfort of the car?
Yeah.
So the view, the meter changed already.
Okay.
Tu dia. Ya, kanan. Ikut kanan lah. Careful. I don't know where
Ya, just enough. Sangat cukup.
340 PS, 450 Newton meters of torque. The Myvi has 145 or 140.
I think yang Myvi 136.
138 ah.
136 something.
Yeah. This 450. 3 kali.
3 kali. Kereta besar lagi.
Kereta besar lah.
Senang je istirahat. Mudah je. Ni banyak kereta. Satu pesan ni kan.
Okay, you got 1 kilometer to keep left.
Senang-senang 16.
Yeah. Brake a bit for this corner because it tightens up. So selepas tol kita ikut kanan ya.
Kanan. Terus mati.
Cari palang biru. Yes.
Kanan sekali.
Oh ya, touch and go. Yeah. Okey, ikut kanan, kita belok ke kanan selepas traffic light.
So far, a lot of car you drive juga. Which brand yang you like to drive?
My favorite small car,
Small car.
I like the Golf R. I like the GTI.
Handling oriented.
Yeah. I'm very okay with the Tiguan. I'm very okay with this Touareg. So Volkswagen make very good handling cars.
Memang sedap handling dia. Walaupun dia taklah laju, dia taklah macam performance kau-kau kan. Tapi okay, dia macam enjoy driving.
This Touareg kan, 20 inch. What you prefer? You mean the correct size wheel, or you need if you own this, or you maintain
Very important, I think the car must look proportional lah. You know, you have big car, small wheel, it looks ugly. You know, small car, big wheel also ugly. You know, I remember last time ada Wira dia pakai 18 inci. I remember a Wira with 18-inch wheels. It looked horrible. Wira. Proton Wira aerobac. The Wira aerobac.
How is it they fix that?
Kan boleh masuk. Dia pakai I think 40 series or something like that, or 45 series tires. Tapi the rim overpower the car.
Dia tukar enjin dah ke?
Tak tahu itu, I tak tahu. Tapi no, they never tukar engine. So it look ugly lah. And then people don't buy because the Wira buyer generally they cannot afford to replace the tire. Because 18-inch wheels are very expensive compared to the standard 14 or 13. At that time I think it's 13.
Sweet spot lah. The sweet spot for Wira is around 50 or 60 max lah.
Now EV tayar different. Kalau EV
V tire pun mahal lah. Because they have to be very strong sidewall because of the weight of the car.
Yeah.
So EV tires cost more to make.
The rolling resistance should be lower to grab.
The normal tire tak boleh tahan, dia sidewall lembik. Careful. We stay on this lane outside, then we are going to turn.
This one?
No, not this one. Stay here. Stay on this lane. You see the Petronas station? Selepas Petronas kita masuk kiri. So jaga ada kereta dari kiri ya.
Nak keluar dari
So don't cut in front of them, go behind them. Okay, then you signal left. Okay, now entrance is just here. So what you do is you wait at the palang, wait for them to open the gate, and we drive in. Okay, go and go left. Alright, so how was the drive? Was it okay?
Yeah, quite okay.
Hmm.
And power pun enough. Macam ni parking dia.
So you park outside the door, I will take over.